Welcome back to Cakes Factory, where sweet dreams come to life. Today we are diving into 15 super cute cone cake designs that will make your party more exciting. Let's go. The first one is ice cream cone rib cake, one of the most popular cone cake styles. A playful design where a cone melts into a cake, so cool and tasty looking. The next is triple scoop cone cake. Fun and colorful, perfect for kid parties. Each scoop can be a different flavor or color. The next is full cone shaped cake. This one a showstopper, a cone cake that's curved and frosted to look like an oversized soft serve ice cream. The next is strawberry sundae cone cake. Sweet and fruity, add whipped cream frosting and the cherry for a true sundae vibe. The next is rainbow cone top cake. Bright, fun, and colorful. Each cone can be filled with creamy candy or even cake pop mix. The next is baby shower cone cake. Celebrate a new arrival with a baby blue or pink cone cake, complete with teddy bear or rattle toppers. The next is chocolate cone overloaded cake. Calling all chocolate lovers. This design features cone dipped in chocolate and filled with even more chocolatey goodness. The next is confetti cone party cake. A fun party design with cones bursting with sprinkles, perfect for birthdays and celebrations. The next is cupcake cone cake. Mix it up by combining cupcakes and cones. Easy to serve and super cute to display. The next is ocean themed cone cake. For beach parties or mermaid themes, decorate cone as sea creatures or coral. The next is lemon swirl cone cake. Fresh and tasty lemon cone and bright flavors gives your cake a crispy twist. The next is Christmas cone cake. Turn your cones into festive trees using green icing and candy ornaments. So merry and sweet. The next is Princess Cone Cake. Every little princess deserves a fairy tale cake, and this one is all about sparkle and charm. The next is Champagne Pie Cone Cake, perfect for outdoor theme parties. Use colorful frosting to make your cones look like flames. The next and the last is Candy Fill Cone Surprise Cake. Make it interactive, fill your cone with surprise threads for an extra wow moment. So, many ways to get creative with cones, whether it's rib cake or full cone shape. Your dessert will steal the show. Which cone cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory, and share for more creative cake ideas only on Cakes Factory. Stay tuned with us. Take care of yourself and share your love by baking a cake who love cones. This is a perfect way of sharing or showing your love to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.